it is. I'm so excited. Hey everybody, I'm gonna keep this intro super short because I'm super excited. My Walt Life Box just arrived in the mail and I'm so ready to open it. It says, "Your adventure begins." Walt Life. Let's do it. All right, it is time to open it up. Let's get started. I'm ready to start my Walt Life right now. So let's get the plastic wrap off. Big reveal. Oh yeah. This isn't even the exciting part. I'm already like so stoked about it. Okay. Let's see. It feels like I'm at the parks. Get out. Oh wait, I'm gonna put the box down just so I can really show everything as I open it. This is so great. It's a nice little travel mug. Oh, and with my love for coffee, this is perfect. It has Goofy and Donald and Mickey and Pluto. And so let's see what else we have in the magical box. Oh, no way. This is a Dole Whip purse. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I have to take this stuff out. It kind of matches my sweater today too, so this is so cute. This is probably going to be in my wardrobe like all the time now. I cannot wait to show this off. Oh, I'm stoked. Okay. Oh, what is this? This looks beautiful. I don't know what it is yet. Let me see. I'm looking for my Once Upon a Time. Oh, and I found my Happily Ever After. I'm thinking this is like a door display. I think that's what it is. I think it's, you put it on your door. Hold on, let me show you. Wow, it's like really, this is really cute. For my Once Upon a Time. Hello. But then when you find it, you flip it over to this side. This is so great. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to put this on my door. What else do we have? Oh, cute. I'm such a Pixar fan, and it's a Pixar pen with the Pixar ball. Oh, yeah. This box is loaded with stuff. This is amazing. Okay, so we have a lovely keychain, super cute. 2020. Oh, I love how mad Donald is on this. Like, look at this. That's like the best part of this whole thing. And there's still more to come, so let's see. Oh my gosh. This. How? How? These are Ariel earrings. They're so cute. I mean, look at her little crown and she has her fins. Oh, these are absolutely adorable. Okay, also in the box we have a couple other goodies. Let's see, we have a, oh, this is cute. It's a Ferris of them all. I'm thinking this is a bookmark, and on the other side it says Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club, and now I'm a part of it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Here's a You Are Awesome Instagram promotion, so you can tag Walt Life Boxes on Instagram. So cute. Wait, this is super cool. This gold coin says, collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Okay, wow. Yeah, it's like a little treasure coin. How cool is that? And just I thought this was just the box. Hold on. Let me see. You take out this and it has, oh, and this is your game board for your gold coin. Wow, it's so cute. So I have the letter I. So let me put my letter I in my thing. There we go. I am close to getting a mini beanbag plush, just 4 coins away. Oh, and that is my Walt Life Box. Woo! I honestly am so impressed with how perfect everything is in this box. I mean, this is also me, from the coffee cup to this purse. Let me just show all the items one more time. Like, look at all these great things. I can't even fit it all in one hand, but like, look at how much stuff I got in this box. It's absolutely incredible. All so fitting to the things that I like and my lifestyle, and I couldn't be more thrilled or more excited about this. I'm so happy to be a part of Walt Life. I definitely recommend checking them out and getting a box for yourself. They'll ask you a little bit about the things that you like, so that way they know what to fill your box of goodies with. I hope you guys had as much fun with this unboxing as I had. This is beyond my wildest dreams of what I thought would have been in here. I'm so excited to be a part of Walt Life, and all the amazing goodies are just so perfect. I'm gonna have my coffee cup to go tomorrow in this cup. It's incredible. So check them out. I'll put a link down below, and I'll put a reminder of my offer code. It's jessibuckley10. Be sure to use that on your purchase for a little discount. And just get ready to have some magical moments at home. This is the coolest thing. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye! It says begin, or no, it says your adventure, oh gosh, I can't get this right. It says your adventure begins.